just had to like call my dad because I just had a really like emotional like 45 minutes because like life has just been kind of lifing. Leanne was like, oh, let's go. She wanted to get a hotel, but I'm like, oh, we got a budget. But she was like, let's do something that is easy and not work related or anything like that. So yeah. So I'm walking to find me, and I had to put my blazer on because we got here kind of late, but it is sunset. And we parked separate because she was being rat and I was being rat. So now I have to go find her. But she's not too far. Okay, so I'm on my way to the hair salon, hence my hair looking a little cuckoo. Oh, there's somebody right there. That's weird. And hopefully I make my appointment on time. But I will say you can't even see out my window because it's freaking freezing outside. Like, I should have brought my scarf because at this point it's really like not okay how cold it is. But yeah, about to get my hair done. My hairstylist is gonna be mad because my bundles are not blow dried. They are still wet from last night. I don't know why I thought that I could leave them out to air dry and they would be air dry by this morning, but they are, I mean, soaking wet. Not just wet, they're soaking wet. So yeah, first stop in the maintenance is the hair, so let's go do that. Also, by the way, I feel like I deserve a rebuke because my hair appointment is at 8 a.m. and I am there up and ready bright and early. But when it comes to being to work at 9 a.m., I'm usually late. So that is something to be thinking about. But I am able to come in like sweats and, you know, like a t-shirt, a cozy little tee to a hair appointment. I couldn't do that at work, so that could be why. But my hairstylist texting me, hold on. Okay. Okay, so my hairstylist did not boo me, but she did let me know that she's running late. And when I asked her ETA, she didn't text me back. So that means that I'm gonna be here for a while. And I just wish she would text me earlier because then I could drive my bundles. But now I'm late and my bundle's still wet. So, yeah, this looks crazy. But at least she didn't hey boo me, you know? Okay, y'all. So I tried out the side part and I must say the hair it's giving. It's giving. And it really is the glasses as well. I think that's really doing it for me. Let me see what I look like without the glasses. Yeah, it's giving. It's giving what it needs to give. I accidentally paid her a little bit more because I forgot that I gave her the deposit. And I wish my hair was a little bit fuller. But I think it overall just looks really cute. I think I look pretty. I never do a side part. Like never do a side part. So I used to always do side parts, then I switched to middle part and never went back. But now I guess I'm a side part girly or whatever for however long I keep this in. But yeah, next I have a nail appointment at 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna go home and do some laundry and then head out to my nail appointment. I also need to feed my grandfather. So yeah, the hair's done. Ahab, y'all know who Ahab was? The name sounds familiar.
It's just Bell's husband.
Yeah, I know he has a bad rap.
Yeah, he was a weak king because he.
Okay, guys, so I'm leaving the nail shop. I was just at Contented Nail Parlor. Notoria and I got our nails done. So mine, I get dip. We both get, I don't think she got dip. She got acrylic, but dip, powder. It looks so cute. It's healthier than gel. And now we're about to go get some food and then call it a day. You know, we ended up together somehow. So we're going to go get dinner.
Would you vlog that considering it's white?
Nobody would have even known that. It would have just been rice. 3 PRAISE.
This is how we take care of the kids. Be proactive, thinking ahead.
PRAISE.
Reinforcements by saying something nice. This is how we speak into their lives.
PRAISE.
Assess the situation, watch with your eyes. Make sure that you're seeing things right.
PRAISE.
Check the intent by saying what they meant. That is when you have the residence.
PRAISE. Hey.
Be sincere by showing compassion, empowering